Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix Minecraft audio not working. Now this might be something to do with all of the multiple downloads that you have with all of your different Minecraft versions, and as well as mods that may have caused this. So to go ahead and fix this, let's just go ahead and hop into any world that we have, and then we're going to be changing a few settings or reloading a few things in here. So to go ahead and do that, we're just going to be reloading the resource pack. So to do that, just go into options right here and then resource packs, and then you might have something like this right now. So there are some available packs right here, and then let's just add this in, and then let's click on done. So as you can see, it will reload itself, and then we're going to be removing it back right here, and then click on done. And then what that will do is it will just go ahead and reload all of the settings that we have, so that we should be able to get sounds right here. Another shortcut that we can go ahead and do is if we click on F3 and T, this will just go ahead and reload everything up. Now if that doesn't work, another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and remove all of the versions of Minecraft that we have. So to do that, what we need to do is to open up our Minecraft launcher right here, and then we're going to go into installations right here. Now we're going to be clicking on this. This will open up the app data /roaming/Minecraft. So we are in the Minecraft assets itself, and then we're going to go into versions. Now you should be able to see all of the different versions that you have of Minecraft. So just go ahead and just select all of them and then just delete them, and then your Minecraft launcher will go ahead and notice that you don't have any Minecraft, and will just go ahead and download new ones. And there you go. That should go ahead and reload everything up, and it will go ahead and fix your audio. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.